Let me show you how to create a mosaic face effect in Adobe Photoshop. Start by creating a new file, size 1500 by 1500 pixels. Set the resolution to 72 dpi and then press Create. Drag your photo to Photoshop. Scale it accordingly. Right-click on the image layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Create a new document. Size 30 by 30 pixels. Set the resolution to 72 dpi and then press Create. Zoom in. Choose the ellipse marquee tool. Change the style to fixed size. Set the width and height to 30 pixels. Click anywhere. Press Ctrl-Shift-I to invert the selection. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose the black color and then press OK. Now go to Edit. Choose Define Pattern. Name your pattern and then press OK. Close this document without saving it. Go to Filter, Pixelate. Choose Mosaic. Set the cell size to 30 square and then press OK. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose the white color and then press OK. Go to Layer Style and choose Pattern Overlay. Choose the pattern that we have created. Follow these settings. Go to Channels, hold Ctrl and click here to make a selection. Delete this layer. Add a layer mask. Let's add a solid color under the image layer. Set the color to black and then press OK. Go to Layer Style and choose Bevel and Emboss. Follow all of these settings. Add Inner Glow. Follow all of these settings. When you finish, press OK. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Vibrance. Follow these settings. Again, go to Adjustment Layer and choose Levels. Follow these settings. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Support my channel by buying my courses, templates, and Photoshop presets. Link in the description. Also check out other tutorials in my channel. Thank you for your support.